Oregon Governor Tina Kotek and Mayor Keith Wilson joining a massive peaceful protest along the waterfront in the center of Portland Sunday in response to the Trump administration's deployment of the Oregon National Guard.
We must join together and peacefully protest and make sure the nation sees that this is how we care for our citizens. This is how we care for one another. We need you to
200 troops will be deployed for 60 days. Their task, protecting Portland's ICE facility, which has been the site of nightly protests and clashes with federal authorities for several months in opposition to the Trump administration's crackdown on immigration enforcement.
These are not peaceful protests. These are coordinated attacks by radical extremists, and they end now.
Some people living near the ICE facility say the deployment is much needed.
Every night there's tons of protesters basically being vagrants on the street. The people that live in all these buildings right here have hell to go through. They are making noise constantly, even when nobody from ICE is outside.
Oregon Attorney General Dan Rayfield immediately filing a challenge in court to have a judge reverse the deployment.
Oregon has been ready for this moment, not that we wanted this moment to come. It's actually un-American, if you think about it, to use the military against our own citizens. But that's exactly what's happening right now across our country, from California to D.C. to Memphis to Illinois and now to Portland.
In early September, a federal judge in California ruled that Trump's use of the state's National Guard in Los Angeles was unlawful. However, because Oregon is a different jurisdiction, another judge will have a chance to weigh in on the question of the National Guard and federal overreach.
A judge here could simply say, well, I just agree completely with what happened down there and essentially copy the opinion. But there's no guarantee.
Reporting in Portland, I'm Barry Mangold.